Having a bad day? Seems like you just can't get it up this morning? Hi. You can be a dweeb and have the surf shops fix it for you. Then you'll always be a dweeb and never score chicks like this. Here's a rail dig.
Oh my God.
That wipeout there could easily result in a buckled board like this. Oh, excuse me. The next step is to use resin and Q-Cell. This is Q-Cell. It is not, and I repeat, not to be mistaken for any similar looking substance. That board should be dry by now. Next, we're ready for the fin job. There's two ways to take off a fin, the easy way or the manly way. For you guys who are not feeling manly, we'll do it the grinder way. That's all there is to it. We'll give it about 20 minutes. It should be ready by now. It's the new super out on the town to pick up those nice girls.
Like Devo, huh?